Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where it is all about Amazon KDP, building passive income streams and living a life of financial freedom. If you haven't done yet, please hit the subscribe button, put a thumbs up on this video and leave a comment down below. Today we will watch another income report on my YouTube channel. I will show you my orders and my royalties for the 4th month of my Amazon KDP business, which is the month of March. I hope you like this video. We will see us in 10 seconds, my friend. So now we are back in the order section of the KDP reports page. As you can see, as I mentioned in the last video, my orders and my royalties have increased in compared to the last month of February, which was my lowest month in my Amazon KDP history. As you can see, in the month of March, we sold 26 units on 2 marketplaces, my non-fiction book on the German marketplace and my low and no content books on the United States Amazon.com marketplace. I published a decent amount of books in February, low and no content books, and I was very happy and pleased to see that the books were selling on the United States marketplace and that I managed to make a good amount of money. So as you can see, the lowest amount of units I sold in March was 0 units and the highest amount I've sold was 5 units. So compared to the month before, we increased our sales a little bit over 400%. And after we watched how much units I sold in this month, now I will show you how much royalties I made in this month. So now we are back at our royalties estimator of our KDP reports page, and we can see that we made in the month of March $56.58. The royalties are splitted into the American marketplace where I made $33.51 and to the German marketplace where I made $23. The lowest amount of royalties I made in March were about $0. The highest royalties I made were $8 at one day. Now we are at the end of the video. I hope you like this little short income report. If you do so, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up on this video. There's nothing more about to say. I wish you a good day and we will see us in the next video.